Time and effort always leads to success. But what does it take to impact an economy so huge and complex like Egypt's? To see it happening for real, let's take a look at GB Robot Auto. Here is one of the biggest automotive factories in Egypt, Prima factory. Established by GB Robot Auto in 1994. On more than 57,000 square meters. Its production capacity is up to 50,000 cars every year, proudly delivered by our own 660 engineers, employees and technicians. Chery Arizo is the latest model being assembled in Prima factory. In cooperation with Chery Automobile Company Limited, with investments worth $10.5 million in production machines, total capital and the initiation of the production process.
مصنع السيارات ما بيبقاش مصنع لوحده كده، لا ده بيبقى قاطرة بتجر وراه مجموعة مصانع ومجموعة شركات بتقدم خدمات. في ناس بتقدم خدمات لوجستية، خدمات نقل، خدمات مواصلات، خدمات نظافة، خدمات أكل. كل الخدمات الغير مباشرة دي بتضيف للاقتصاد القومي.
The first stage of assembly begins here, where the body goes in pieces to be inspected, tested and prepared for the welding. "70 years of experience, hard training, day and night improvement and true perseverance have qualified GB Robot Auto to be the most trusted Egyptian name in assembling and producing the world's most known car brands, with cutting-edge technology and world-class quality that meets the dreams of the Egyptian market, the international standards. While random samples are taken by laser-operated machines to inspect the dimensions of every part. The moving parts are now attached, and the body is now moved using special cranes to go into the paint shop. The painting stage starts by cleaning up the body completely from any remnants of the previous processes. Then the body is immersed in multiple tanks containing anti-rust and corrosion chemicals. Followed by the drying furnace, the isolation phase, and then the body is dried again so that it's finally ready to be smoothened. Using the latest technology in painting, Arizo starts to wear its favorite suit from the collection of colors that has been finely selected to match the Egyptian preferences. Where the automatic paintbrushes start doing their job without any human interference. This stage is divided into 3 different phases: the basic padding, the coloring, and finally polishing the car.
الدهان يعتبر المرحلة الأساسية الثانية في صناعة السيارة. إحنا أول مصنع في مصر يدخل الدهان بالروبوت في صناعة السيارات، ودي كان السابقة اللي إحنا بنتميز بيها وليها مردود كبير جدا على الجودة وكمان على التوفير في خامات الدهان.
With a world-class accuracy and efficiency, Arizo is now in the perfect shape and color to go through the 3 assembly lines. The process starts by adding the electrical parts, then the mechanical parts, the engine, and the wheels, and then to the next assembly line where the interior is installed, the seating, windows, followed by head and rear lights, and finally to the last line, where the car is supplied with required oils, fluids and gas, so that Arizo is now ready to be tested. In order for Arizo to match the global quality standards, here is where strict tests are applied to each and every part of the car. Starting with the chassis test, wheel alignment, 3-bar water pressure test, acceleration test, and finally the road test. Another quality check is delivered by our quality inspectors to check every inch of the quality of car paint and to place the iconic Chery logo along with GB Robot Auto logo.
العائد اللي على الإنسان نفسه، وده أهم حاجة بنسعى ليها، إننا نوطن الصناعة في مصر. عشان نوطن الصناعة في مصر يكون موجود ناس تكون على دراية وخبرة hands on experience، خبرة بإيديهم في تكنولوجيا زي تكنولوجيا صناعة السيارات اللي هي تعتبر من الصناعات الرائدة والقاطرة لمعظم الصناعات الأخرى سواء كانت هندسية أو كيماوية.
70 years of experience, hard training, day and night improvement, and true perseverance have qualified GB Robot Auto to be the most trusted Egyptian name in assembling and producing the world's most known car brands, with cutting-edge technology and world-class quality that meets the dreams of the Egyptian market.